Hello, welcome to another online tutorial for STIW2044. Today I'm going to talk about custom dialog form. So what I mean by that, normally when you create an application and you like to have multiple activity or multiple layout to appear in your application, so we just create new activity. So we move from one activity to another activity. However, moving from one activity to another activity will consume more memory due to the class execution. We need to create new object for that particular class and then access all the method and objects, or the data member, or the member of the class for that particular activity. The other way is that you can also create what we call as a dialog window. So for example, consider the following application here, where you have a list of items, and when you click on one item you get the following window. Hover on top of your main activity. So this is what we call as a dialog window, a custom interface that will allow you to access just like a normal layout. However, it sits on top of your main layout. So you can see your main layout at the back here, faded in the background, and you can still access those by clicking on the outside, or you can also disable clicking on the outside. You go back and click, and you can perform operation. This is also another example for custom dialog interface. Okay, you can still access all the window, all the input component here. Image, and then you can perform the save button operation here, just like any normal layout. So how to do that? So let us create a new project called my dialog window example. Okay, now so we're going to start with our main activity. So I'm going to convert my view to linear view. Sorry. Alright, so let's say I have a button inside here. So let's say I have a button, and this button, when I click on this button, it will open up a dialog window. Alright. So let's have this at center. So make a reference for the button. And then implement the button listener. So next what we need is to have a layout. Okay, normally when you create another layout, another activity, we just create new and then activity and select the type of activity that we like to have. But here, since we are doing a dialog layout, so we just need to create new layout in our application. So just create new layout. Okay, dialog layout. Sorry. So this is dialog layout. So let me rename that. Dialog layout. Alright, so this is my dialog layout. So I'm going to design this. So let's say inside here I'm going to put the image view. So I'm going to take one image view from here, put it into my bitmap, and then I'm going to drag one image view, resize this image view, and set this image view to center. Or maybe center horizontal. And down here we're going to have one button, just to show how to communicate with your layout. So this is button 2. Hello, press me. So this is our dialog window. So what we're going to have now is from this main layout to access, to open up this dialog window. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is we need to declare an object for the dialog window. So give it a name, dialog, my dialog. Okay, so import dialog, that, and then I'm going to create dialog. So this is a method I'm going to call from this onClick dialog. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to start with creation, the reference for the object, new dialog, to this class. Next, I'm going to set request window features, window feature, no title. So this is basically just to remove the title bar for that particular window. And then for this code, this is basically just to set the background of the layout as dim. So get window, clear flag, window manager, and then here to select the layout for the set content view. So the layout is dialog layout that we just created here. And if you like to just load or show the layout, you can just mydialog.show, and for this you can just run. And when you click this button, you get this window. Okay, so this window basically overlay on top of the main window at the back. So if you like to do something with this button or any input text that you edit text that you put inside here, inside this window, then you can also do that. Okay, to do that, we just create button at the end. Okay, equal my dialog. Find your id.button2. So this is referring to the pop-up layout, the dialog layout, and then from there just implement standard on-click listener, for example, and let me choose hello world. Alright, okay, now you can see when you press this button, it shows hello world, means that you can do any operation that you like inside this layout. If you like to get input from user, for example from a plain text here, all you need to do, make a reference for that particular input. So that one is edit text, ed1, my dialog, find view by id, edit text, and then hello, string input equal ed1, get text toString. However, you might need to declare this as a final object because if you access this inside an override method, and then hello plus input. Give it a try. Open, input, give it your name, Hanis, and then press me, hello Hanis. Yep, very easy. Happy coding!